Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll create 4 high authority forum backlinks. These are do follow. So watch the whole video and don't skip. Our first website is this one, and the DR of this website is domain rating 70, 157k backlinks and 9.6k linking websites. And go to this link. Translate it to English. It's in Russian language. Fill up this form. Okay, our account is successfully registered. You can see here. Now we have to find our form page. I'll open this in new tab. Okay, now translate it to English. And you can see here, profile option. Click on this. And then edit profile. And here you have to add your website address. And you have one more option here to add the URL. I'll add this page URL and some text here. Just to keep it everything clean. And then save. Okay, now this is my URL. Let's open in some other window. Say do follow link. And this as well. So both of them are do follow. This is our first website. Now let's talk about our second website. Our second website is this one. And the DR is 73, 2 million backlinks, 14k linking websites. Let's go to this URL. Fill up the details. Sign up. Go to your email and confirm the link. And now go here, forum, and then go to this link, legacy form. This is our page. Click on this icon and then edit profile. And now click on contact. Add your website address. You can add one more link. Let's try one more link. And then update. Successfully updated. Now go to view profile. I have total 3 URLs, 1, 2, and 3, and these are Dofollow backlinks. You can see here all of them are Dofollow. So this is our second backlink. Now let's move on to third website. This is our third website, and the ADR of this website is 74, 342k backlinks and 5.7k linking websites. Go to this URL and then register. Translate it to English. It's in Italian language. Fill up these details. Complete registration. Okay, now here it's showing that they don't allow spammers because we have used here what you call temporary email. Go to registration. Add your Gmail address. Complete registration. Okay, our account is successfully registered. Now you have to go to your email and confirm the link. There might be a chance that you will not receive what you call confirmation link. Don't worry, it might take little time. Add your username and password and enter. Go to my profile. Begin personal data. Add biography. Save. Settings. And here you have to add your website address. Save. Okay, it's done. My profile, personal data. This is my profile URL. Let's check on some other window. Okay, here's my link. Dofollow link. Now let's go to fourth website. This is our fourth website. And the DR of this website is 412k backlinks and 6.6k linking websites. Let's open this website. Sign up. I accept. Add your details. Okay, our registration is successful here. Now go to your email, confirm the link, and log in again. Our account is ready. Now go to profile details, and here you have the option to add your signature. Okay, it's working perfectly. Change profile. Now this is our profile, and here's our backlink, and it's do follow. And to find the URL of this profile, go to members, click on this date registered, click here again, and here's our profile. I'll open this, and here's our profile URL, and this is our backlink. That's it for today. I hope you like this video. In our future videos, we'll bring some more SEO tips and new backlinks. Till then, see you and take care.